So I want you to explore this. And as you explore this, I would like to take it ahead. These childhood wounds, or so-called narcissistic or patriarchal experiences which they've experienced, could be abuse, could be neglect, could be emotional coldness, could be one of these, which is the missing archetype. बड़े होते हुए शायद इनका माँ बाप इनके साथ पूरी तरह से नहीं था. Growing up, maybe their parents were not fully available to them. Maybe emotionally not available, emotional coldness. Maybe physically not available. The father is not there, the mother is not there, physically not available. Maybe functionally not available. Maybe the father doesn't earn sufficient to provide well. Maybe the mother doesn't know how to take care. So not available in terms of function, not available in terms of emotion, not available in terms of physical presence. When the parent is absent, and when I say parent is absent, I don't mean literally the parent is absent. Maybe the teacher is absent. But what I'm talking about is parenting. A child is parented by the village. It's not just the two parents. We are talking of the archetypal parent. We are talking of teachers as parents, society as parents, temples as parents, churches as parents, universities as parents, neighborhood as parents, society as parents, and of course, parents and caregivers as parents also. So we are talking of an archetypal understanding of parent. And when this parent is missing, when this parent is missing emotionally, when this parent is missing psychologically, when this parent is missing physically, when schools betray you. Let's say the boy is growing up in a school and he's being bullied. Then he goes to the teacher also laughs at him, and the whole class laughs at him, and then he doesn't. You see, it's the death of an archetypal parent. When they grow up in a situation like that, they go through abuse, they go through abandonment, they go through neglect, they go through emotional coldness. And in that context, they begin to feel something is terribly wrong with me. Something is terribly, terribly missing in me. Something irreparable is happening to me. And because of that, I cannot look within. I need to seek and look after something, some validation, some certification, something I need to seek, because only if I seek that will the world love me. Why do I think something is terribly, terribly wrong with me? Because it didn't happen with you. 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 It didn't happen with the whole class. The bullying happened only with me. It didn't happen to the whole society. Only I fell in the pothole. So something must be wrong with me. And I begin to believe that something is wrong with me. And I believe that something is wrong with me, and that something that is wrong with me cannot be repaired. And therefore, I must seek something that I will never get, because something is wrong with me. So I cannot face rejection. I cannot face failure, because my whole self-worth and self-esteem is built on this crumbling tower, which is always going to crumble. So I have to work more. I have to do more. I have to be more, because I do not belong, because I do not find safety, because I do not contribute.